Welcome back to 4-H Embryology. Today is day 20 for our embryos. I've washed my hands. I've written down the temperature and the humidity in both my incubators. Today, I'm only turning over my turkey egg. My chicken egg is sitting safely under a stuffed animal, and I hope yours is too. Here's what our chicken embryos look like on day 20. As you can see, that chick is very big. It has filled up the egg. Here's the yolk sac up here. It's still getting nutrition from the yolk. The air cell is very big, but what's right here is the beak. When it's time to hatch, the chick will poke through the eggshell, the membrane first, and then the eggshell. When it pokes through the membrane, it will be able to breathe. We'll be able to hear it cheep before it hatches. I want to show you a resource that I put in your resources to show you the numbers that are between 45 and 55 and 55 and 65 for our humidity readings for our incubators. And I also would like you to look at this resource that I put in your Google folder. On the very end of this chick's beak here is called an egg tooth. It's only there for 24 hours, and it helps the chick hatch. It makes the beak strong enough to be able to hatch through the egg, and we're going to be looking at that right now. Here's a close-up picture of it, of the chick with its egg tooth. This is one of the white leghorn chicks. And then we're going to talk about some more words. When the baby chick first pokes through the egg, that's called a pip, or we call it pipping. And I love to get drawings from the second graders. This is the drawing that a second grader made for me, and I thought it was a good example of pipping. Now here's another drawing. This is the brooder box. I'm going to be getting the brooder box ready for the baby chicks. This yellow represents the clamp light that's shining down in, so when the chicks are cold, they can get under the clamp light to get warm. There's a waterer that we fill up with water for the babies to drink. This little girl's reaching her hand down in to touch the baby chicks, but she's washed her hands before she does that. And here's another picture. We put toys in the bottom of the incubator and shavings for the baby birds. So I'm hoping that the next time you see me, I'll be showing you some baby chicks. I'm going to bend my camera down here so you can see the incubator with the chicken eggs. I put a sticky note on it to remind myself not to turn it. The humidity in the incubator with the chicken eggs needs to be between 55 and 65% right now. The incubator with the turkey eggs, I'm still turning those eggs 3 times a day, needs to be between 45 and 55%.